Hi, this is Keith All, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about a DAX function in Power BI called the DATEDIFF function. And as you can see on the screen, basically the DATEDIFF function helps you calculate the difference between two dates based upon a specified unit of time. That unit of time could be years or quarters, months or minutes, and there are many more variations. The syntax of it is, of course, the name of the function is DATEDIFF. The first argument is a date. The second argument is also a date. And the third argument is the interval. So let's go back to the first argument. The first date uh, value, which is the earlier date that you want to compare between date one and day two. So in this example, we're going to be going into my customer data table, and we're going to be taking the birth date and finding what the current age is of this individual. So the second argument, day two, is the second date value, which is the later date that you want to compare. Now, what we're going to be using as the second date is the today function within Power BI, which is a simple function. It just calculates whatever the current date is based upon your local setting. So the third argument is the interval. Now, this is a text string specifying the unit of time for the difference in calculation. And as you can see, there are many different valid options, but for this tutorial, we're interested in calculation of the number of years between date one and day two. So this is the actual formula that we're going to be writing. So we're going to name the calculated count as the current age, and that's going to equal to what the DATEDIFF function will calculate. So we're going to go into a customer data table, and we're going to use the birth date column within there. So you could go over to the right. This is my structure of my customer data table, and you can see there's a column name called birth date, and it's formatted as a date column. And then the second argument is the today function. It just calculates whatever your system date is. And then where the interval of time is, well, what is the difference between these two dates in years? That's all it's going to do. So let's go over to the right. First of all, let me highlight this so it's easier. Control C. This is the one way that you could add a column or calculate a column in Power BI. You could go over to your table name, right click and add new column, or you could come up here under table tools and also new column. So let's go click on that. Now up in this formula bar here, we're going to name it current age equal to, and then all you do is then press enter. Goes ahead row by row in the customer data table, and it calculates this current age. So let's, as you can see over here to the right, it added the current age column. So now let's go into the actual data. Let's go over here to the left, go to table view, and let's go over to the scroll to the right, which it did. It adds the column to the end of your table, current age. So let's our birth date year is over to the left. So this first record was based upon August 26, 1961. And today's date is actually May 13, 2024. So the difference between that and years is 63 years. And again, it calculates everything for every single row. So let's go back to the report view. And I hope this short tutorial, gave you an insight on how you could use the DATEDIFF function or DAX function in Power BI. I want to thank you for stopping by. Please like and share on this video, and also please subscribe to my channel so you can always be updated when a new video tutorial is uploaded. Thanks again, and you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.